So hello everyone, as you know, like yesterday we made the video in which I have clearly explained about the first round seat allotment, and I told you about that from today onwards you will start getting this message where there will be like successful document verification. Once the document verification is successful from the university, whichever you have been allotted to, there will be one option to you which is under remark. If you just select it, so you can see that there is an option to admit. So here a lot of students are confused. So sir, I don't want to admit it, I don't want to log the seat, I want to go for the upgradation. So how to do it? There is only one option, which is admit here. So do not panic, do not worry, the process is very simple. You have to, everyone who is interested to go for the upgradation or locking the seat, both of them have to click on admit and pay the counseling fee. But remember one thing very carefully here. If you click on this admit and go for the seat payment and you pay the fee, and after that whether you are interested or not, you have to take the seat or you can withdraw the seat also. But the problem is you will not be eligible for the mop-up round. Okay, the mop-up round which will be available after the completion of all the 4 rounds, you will not be eligible for the mop-up round if you pay the seat acceptance fees now. So now there will be a question, so whether should you do the seat, pay the seat acceptance fees and continue the rounds or not? That entirely depends on you. Why? Because in the mop-up round sometimes very good colleges can also come vacant. Okay, so when the very good colleges comes vacant, the rank doesn't matter there, because lot of students who have already secured whatever rank, they might have already paid the seat acceptance fees and they might have already taken the seat in any of the rounds, or they might have withdrawn the seat also. But all of them will not be eligible to attend the mop-up round. Only the students who have not registered to the ICAR counselling, who have registered but not done this document verification, or the students who have done the document verification but at last they have not paid the seat acceptance or seat acceptance fees, or the students who have not yet allotted to any universities in any of the 4 rounds, only they will be eligible for this mop-up round. So it's up to you, you can decide what to do. Like see, if your rank is very far and if you are getting a choice which you will not at all go at any cost, and there is no scope that you will be upgraded to very good college in the other 3 rounds, then you can skip this. And totally it's very risky, it is very risky. There are not 100% chances that you will get a seat in the mop round. Sometimes we have seen that a seat at IARI PGR was also vacant in the last year. So things can also go in your way or it cannot go in your way. So it's completely upon you. You sit and decide what you have to do it. But if you have decided that yes, I will go for the next rounds, so the simple task that you have to do is just click on the admit here in the remark. So just again start, do not start asking, sir, I have not received this remark yet now. See, if you have not yet received this button, that means the verification is not completed. So once it is completed, you will get the remark. So now it is clear that for this student, the remark option is available and it is showing to admit. So I will on screen on the live, I'll do the admit and I'll pay the fee and show you like what are the next process. So I'll click on pay now. So here the very simple option is like just go to the UPI and click on the UPI IQR and just click on pay now. So I'm paying it. Screen is too big. Not able to scan it. So I will just go to the UPI ID. So I'll enter UPI ID and try to pay it. It was not scanning. Since the screen was big, it was not scanning. So you can do that definitely. No issue on that. So like I got the notification in the mobile, I'm paying it. So once I make the successful payment, so within like 30 to 40 seconds, it will reflect in the screen. Just wait for some time. So make sure that ensure like whenever you are doing the payment, ensure that there is a very good and stable internet connection, and do it when the connection is good. Okay, so that the transaction status, see, you can see the transaction status is success. I click on the continue. So once I click on the continue, it is coming to the home page. So do not panic, just click on the applicant login again and log in yourself again. So I click on login. So now you can see that there are options for the withdrawal or the cancellation of admission request. If you click on this, then you will be out of the ICAR Counselling 2025. Then after that, there is no scope that you will be able to attend the mop-up round or any other round from the ICAR Counselling. So before clicking on this option, please decide why you are doing it, whether you have to do it or not. Okay. Next, if you want to click on the status as upgradation, you can click on this and you can go for the upgradation. Otherwise, you can just accept the seat and you can wait for the admission provision, or you can directly download the allotment letter and leave it. That's it. But if you want to go for the upgradation, then you can just click as this upgradation. So if I just click on the change status as upgradation, so it is asking, it is saying something that you are going to change your reporting status with respect to upgradation. Are you sure that you want to change your current reporting status? Once you have changed your current reporting status with respect to the upgradation, your previous reporting status will be changed and you will be considered for the further round. So you will be going to the next round if you click on that option. So I'll just click on cancel now. I'll allow the students to do it himself, that whether you want to upgrade it or lock the seat. But for you people, so this is the last page that you will see in the first round after paying the counseling fee. As I made it very clear, paying the counseling fees is compulsory for all the students, whether you accept the seat or you upgrade the seat. Okay, so ensure that you do it correctly so that you will come to this particular screen, and in this, if you want to take the seat, leave it as it is. But if you want to take the upgradation, just click on the upgradation. Or if you want to lock the seat, you can just directly download the allotment letter and leave it this as it is. Nothing else to do. And after this, students are also starting asking like when the university will contact us, when the classes will start, how we'll be able to know it. So mostly what happens is like university will mail you about all the details. Might be today, tomorrow, in the next week, depends on the university. So please be patient and wait for that, and do not just message us and ask the same things. I've already conveyed all these things through the video. Just watch the video and also send your friends this video so that there will be a lot of less burden on us, because there are a lot of other things to answer and other things to address, and there are a lot of students who are waiting for our guidance. So we will help the genuine issues, but for all other things, the things are very simple. After this says, if you lock the seat, then you can the university will directly contact you. But on a safer side, you can contact any seniors or any of your friends from that university to get all the regular updates regarding the classes. Okay, and the students are also asked that, sir, I have given for the upgradation, but that particular university is already calling for the physical reporting, and the classes have been already started. So whether should I go there or not? See, it's very simple. If you have clicked for the upgradation, it is not compulsory for you to go there and do the physical reporting, since you have given for the upgradation. But if you are wanting to, you can. But I would recommend that wait for the next rounds until you lock the seat, and then you can go there to attend the classes. But in the meanwhile, in some of the institutes, some of the universities, you might miss few of the classes, because some universities will start their academics early. They will not wait the completion of the 4th round of the ICAR counseling. So they might start it, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't make a lot of difference. So do not worry about it, or do not panic. Just wait till the completion of all the rounds until you lock your seats, and then after that go for the physical reporting, and then you can start attending the classes. So make it very clear with all of you. Okay, make it clear by yourself that what you're going to do, and do it correctly. And if you have any other queries with respect to the ICAR counseling, or with respect to the first round, or if you have not yet understood like whatever I have said till now in this video, you can directly drop a comment on this video, and we will reply all your comments and we will guide you. Okay, I hope this thing is very clear, that how to go for the upgradation, or how to lock the seat, or how to withdraw the seat. The 3 options which are available for every ICAR aspirant. Hope so this video is informative. So if it is informative, please share with all your friends who are attending this ICAR counseling. So let the correct and authentic information reach them, so that they should not face any problem in the later stages. All the very best.